Boys and girls, welcome to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with his chotito in hand. The Badal family in the house. Production behind the camera and myself, we'd like to welcome you to this, your lovely kitchen / studio, where we're gonna make some delicious and outstanding margaritas. Yes, sir? It's gonna be February 22nd, National Day for the margaritas. And what a better way to start it than making a large batch with Volcán de mi Tierra. Please stay tuned. Let me show you how to pour a coconut margarita for all those family members that they just show up. All right, so let's keep it going. Morrita, do you like coconut?
Yes.
Okay, so I like that. This is gonna be super easy, you guys. And seriously, Volcán de mi Tierra is one of the nicest tequilas that you can have for this occasion and actually for this cocktail in particular. What you're gonna be doing is just very tiny bit of homework, and it's just to get yourself some sweet coconut, and then you're just gonna put them on the toaster, approximately like around 7 minutes. Get it out, toss them around, and then just give them a couple more minutes more, approximately in 10 minutes in total, until you get this lovely brown, gold brown toast. That's how you want your coconut flakes. Why you want this thing? Because this is gonna be the actual rim of your delicious margarita. And to make your margarita, super easy. Check this out. 1 full cup of tequila. Oh my God. In this case, Volcán de mi Tierra Blanco. Triple sec, orange liqueur, you name it, like Curacao, Maine, whatever you want to do. Please use 1/3 of a cup. Fresh lime juice, 1/3 of a cup as well. And the main ingredient, which is going to be your creme of coconut. You can use Calagua, you can use Coco Lopez. I mean, just as long as it is, you know, kind of like a watery. For this case, I have this one is a little, I have it on the refrigerator, so I need to get it out of my jar. But we're gonna need 3/4 of a cup. Just like this. All right, let's stir this very well. And kind of like a fun fact about this margarita, production has been asking me to make this margarita for a very long time. So there we go, that's for you too. This is Badal and Miss Storming. Let's add some ice to our pitcher. Pretty well. Get yourself your coconut flakes, a couple nice glasses. Let's put a little bit of a coconut cream around the rim and get your lovely decoration for your cocktail. Let's top it up with that. And just pour. All right, and just for a garnish, we're just gonna use a really nice and cool dehydrated lime well. There you have it, you guys. The coconut margarita for all those unexpected guests on the Margarita National Day. Salud, everyone. Please remember, don't forget to like and subscribe, and never drink and drive. No tequila for you. Cheers, everyone.